How to fix Telegram verification code not sending. If you have been trying to log into Telegram but you are not being able to get the verification code, the first thing you have to ensure is that the phone number that you are typing in is correct, because sometimes the phone number and the country code could have been incorrect. That is why you are not receiving the verification code. Second, you must make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you. Sometimes what Telegram does is it will not send you the code on your SMS, but instead it will send you the code on your previous device where your Telegram account is still logged in. For example, if your Telegram is logged in on your desktop or your tablet, it will give you a SMS code within the Telegram account on those particular devices. Other things that you can try is, if you're using an Android phone, long press the Telegram app icon, then tap on this eye icon that says App Info. This setting will be found in any Android device. Then from here you can go to storage usage, where you can simply clear the cache files and clear the data, which will reset the app and you'll be able to relog into your account. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and see you in the next video.